Ways to increase your truck's durability. Truck owners know their vehicles are more than just transportation. They're workhorses, adventure companions, and essential parts of daily life. However, you must prioritize durability to keep your truck performing at its best. Your truck can start showing signs of aging sooner than expected with constant wear and tear. The good news? You can turn your machine into one that can withstand the test of time with these 4 ways to increase your truck's durability. Upgrade your tires. Your tires are one of your truck's most critical components, as they're the only part of your vehicle that touches the road. Better quality tires improve safety and boost durability, especially if you frequently drive on rough or unpaved roads. Consider investing in all-terrain or heavy-duty off-road tires that can handle the challenges of uneven terrain if you're an off-road enthusiast. Invest in tuning. Tuning your truck's engine can tailor its performance to meet your specific needs, whether you're looking for better fuel efficiency, more horsepower, or optimized towing capacity. This tuning process might involve adjusting the air-fuel mixture, upgrading the exhaust system, or installing a performance chip. However, it's important you know about tuning stages before starting the process to get the enhancements you want without pushing your truck and engine past its limit. Consider a protective coating. Protecting your truck's exterior is just as important as maintaining its engine. A protective coating is a smart investment if you live in areas with harsh weather conditions, such as heavy snow, rain, or extreme heat, or if you often drive on dirt roads. Applying a protective coating to your truck's bed and undercarriage can shield it from rust, corrosion, scratches, and other damage caused by exposure to the elements. Don't forget about the interior. While it's easy to focus on your truck's exterior and mechanics, the interior also deserves your attention. Over time, daily use can take a toll on your seats, dashboard, and flooring. Regularly cleaning and conditioning these surfaces can prevent cracking, fading, and general wear and tear. Additionally, keeping the interior clean and well-maintained boosts your truck's resale value if you ever decide to sell. Increasing your truck's durability doesn't have to be overwhelming or expensive. A little bit of work can go a long way, extending your truck's lifespan and ensuring that it can perform reliably for years to come.